But downfold, that's for the next video, not for this one. But okay, now what we're gonna see is all the process that we get to get into this point, and but a little bit further back. But everything's going good. Next video we're gonna do it's gonna be all the shifting stuff that we need to do to finish it, and then the fuel system. Other than that, and some troubleshooting and a problem that we're having right now, but nothing all crazy. Yeah, let's keep it going. Between now and the intro, like the video. You don't like it yet? Oh god, bro. Let's go and like the video. For now, that's the inside. We put a heat shrink. You guys see the wires early, and we put a heat shrink, throw the wire down, mount the computer on that side. We're ready to put the dash back in it. I have all the stuff out yet. I was trying to get it running, see if it's running, if at least it's running, like if all the wiring that we did is right. Okay, I already cycled the key, everything came on. All right, we have fuel pressure right now. All right, the bell is in it. Yeah, let's try it. The wire for the starter is not in it, then might need to jump it real quick. Yeah, you guys, another day more, another afternoon here. All right, we already put 2 stickers of it, Mega Racing. All right, that's gonna be our header, and then BMS, that is gonna be proper wire. But yeah, for today I'm gonna try without recording too much, without getting all crazy. I'm gonna try to put the gas and the brake pedal, and put everything back together, trying to put the dash back in it, and trying to, I don't know if I'm gonna try to get the shifter out to get another one that we have in here. All this mess. But yeah, that's the new guy. All right, that's the header. Okay, now what I'm gonna try to do is, like, most likely get all this crap out and try to mount that guy. But yeah, let's go. But now wait, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do the dash, I forget. But real quick, tell me if you notice the difference in that motor mount. I mean, the same setup, but okay, we're here, we're back. Estamos aquí, viramos otra vez. How you can see, the dash is most likely in. Alright, I have the oil gauge hanging, but I have the bracket somewhere to put it right here with the other stuff. But yeah, the dash is back in. This guy is empty, like everything in the bottom. Only the wires in this side, the wires behind this plastic, but the only plastic I'm gonna go put back in is gonna be this one to hide all the wiring. But yeah, all the other stuff is gonna seal like that. And look at that, look at that shifter. What you tell me about, where's the old guy? Yeah, it's somewhere. But yeah, now we go ahead and start pulling all the motor mount parts. If you can see right here, Now we don't have any more the trusty motor mount right there. Now we have something solid. Another improvement more that we did to the engine. The header is in the way back, but like I just say, the pipe I have to do something with, and right now it's not the moment for it. It's already a little bit late, and we don't have nobody complaining. And like you guys can see, I mean, the other motor mount, it doesn't look like, if you look at it, you cannot like see it like real quick, but the bushing have a lot of movement in it. And this guy is brand new. It don't have the movement. We don't have need that plate with solid mount. But yeah, we're back in. We was in the process to finish mounting that guy, and then this back again, because when we was right about to time to mount the new motor mount, it was not having a spacer. That it was, this guy was already rubbing in a bolt right there, okay, because this right here and this, it was not having the spacer that the old one have, and then we swapped the like the bushing and the inner bushing and the the new shaft that came in, and now we're gonna mount it back up. That it take us a little bit of time, because this one right here, you have the bolt that is really back to get to it, that is under the mount, and then with the run stop being all crooked, it's not good to get in it. But look that, fresh, huh? Let's go. We keep you up in a little bit more. Yo. Okay. You're right. We did a lot. You see, yeah, this guy is looking all fresh. Now the engine is even level where it's supposed to be. That guy's looking fresh. I cannot get over it. I have to open this right here to make it even, but the improvement is huge in the air. I'm gonna take care of it, that, and then open the intake and the inside probably. Yeah, I'm not gonna use this map sensor. I'm gonna use this one. It is factory. For me, I think it's a lot better. I'm gonna mount it right here, and like I just said, this guy, we have to redo some stuff with it, and then this one in the back is being a pain like always, but it's already late. We spent a bunch of hours right here, and I worked today and then come down here, finish a couple of stuff, and we have something going on. Yo, look at that. Okay, the light's not helping, but look at it right quick. Let me get the light. Alright, we already mount everything down in here. Alright, right here we're gonna see what we're gonna finish doing, but for now everything is back in it. All the suspension, the whole way around. Alright, now we have everything the proper way mount, or our way. Alright, that guy, yeah, he's still there. But yeah, now we're gonna we're gonna hear and see the difference about the first time that we say that we was gonna only replace the valve cover. That was only how the car was running, and look everything that we done. But let's hear it. We still don't have the wire set up, but yeah, it's a long way, but now it's coming. Now it feels really good. It's a little bit rowdy, and we still need to hook up this guy right here to the VTEC, but yeah, for now, let's go, you guys. We already done a lot to the car, more than what we have in the video, because we was working more and videotaping less. But yeah, in the next video we're gonna show a couple of stuff that we already did that look good and move great and all that, but we have some issues too, and we're gonna keep up and with what we have and what we can fix it with, and see you next time.